Assalamu alaikum. So in part 1 we discussed in deeply that why IT students take this course, what are the benefits of this course. Now we will move toward the skills developed during this course. So first of all, what is IT project management? As from this word definition, IT project management controlling of processes and activities that are related to IT projects. Project is something which we will there is a whole topic which we will cover about what is a project and what is management, but here in brief I will tell you that project is something, a process or activity any which we start and it should end with some results. So any project which is related to technology, especially information systems, computers, anything like IT related, will be in the field of IT project management. So IT project managers are mostly work in IT industry, computer industry, information system industries. So these are the some examples of IT projects which IT industry will be working, or IT project manager will be working in: web development, database management, apps development, data mining, cloud computing, network configuration, software implementation, hardware installation, network and computer security. So as you can see, all these projects or industries are purely related to CS or computer science. You can't find any type of engineering here because it will be technical management, another subject. Here all these industries are purely related with computer science. That's why IT is a branch of computer science which helps to commercialize the products developed by computer science or CS people. So mostly IT people do management, for CS people for commercializing their products. That's why they work in sales, management and marketing. Skills for IT project manager. Mostly you will see the jobs for project manager and the requirement or required skill level or years of experience eligibility is quite higher for a project manager. Why? From these 20 skills, and these 20 are the most, you can say, required or important or necessary skills which a project manager should have. These are should only 20, but if you count some uh, other skills which are project management also, so it will be more than 40-50 type of skills which a project manager should have. So that's why a project manager post is always an experienced person apply for that, and there should be specific skills for that. In this course, because it's IT project management, we will study about, we will do some practice with our presentations in the class, we will do some projects in teamwork or in individual. All these will be because the main goal of this course is to develop some project management skills in you. So what are these skills? We will start one by one, that what are the skills a project manager should be having. First skill is communication skill. Why communication skill? A project manager is himself a project manager. Whenever you will see a manager, he will be sitting in an office and you will see that maybe he's not working all. He's just sitting, he's just checking the paperwork or just signing some things. So manager job is very easy, but actually not, because he is dealing or controlling a huge number of people or a team or multiple teams also. So a person who is dealing with so many teams or clients or his team members should have a strong communication skill. If a person cannot speak, share ideas, or share the issues, or tell their teams what are their vision or goals, then he can't be a, we will not say that he can't be a good project manager, he can't be a project manager, because this is the basic skill each project manager should have. He should be outspoken person, he should speak, give a table talk, he can be a good presenter, he can be a good share, he can be he can share his ideas, issues. So communication skill is the first skill required, basic skill required for a project manager. How we will improve this skill in our this in this course? With our participation in online classes. Maybe I will ask, give you some project in which you have to communicate with the people and complete your assignment. So from that you will improve your communication skill. But in our face to face classes, we will have some group activities and we will have some presentations for improving your communication skills. Second thing is leadership. A project manager should have a strong leadership skills. Why leadership skills are important? They allow leaders to oversee and coordinate tasks as well as motivate and encourage the team and define the roadmap of successfully complete the project. A leader should always motivate and encourage the team, because in project sometime the team is discouraged, maybe the project is not going well and they don't want to continue, but for a project manager he have to complete the project. So if he has a leadership skills, he will listen to their his team, encourage them, motivate them, and keep them working in a flow so that the project complete its time. If a project manager have no leadership skills, then he can't handle a number of teams working for his project. And these leadership skills I will help you develop in this subject by different activities. And mostly leadership skills are formed in a group work. So your group will be formed when I will give you the project, and not always a one person will be the group leader. There will be multiple group leaders in different activities, so that you can polish your leadership skills. Third one is organization. To ensure processes are running smoothly and in line with common goals, project managers must have strong organization skills. While this includes the ability to multitask, it also includes prioritize tasks. Okay, what is organization mean? Actually, if it's a small company or organization, or even in big, a project manager is actually he is not only running a project, he is working inside an organization, and actually he is running the half of the organization. For example, he is doing his project, but he is also dealing with the other departments. He is dealing with the sales department, because sales department will bring project for him. Secondly, he is working with the delivery team, because the delivery team will deliver his project on time to the customer. Third, he is delivering with the field teams which is working for him. Fourth, he is working for account departments. And finally, he is also reporting to his other offices or boss. So while dealing with so many departments, there will be a lot of work coming to him every time. But if he has no organizational skills, then he can't complete any task related to any department. How he will complete those tasks? Because he has an organization skills, and he know that which task is more important, which and he has to give priority to which task. For example, if a project is running and he has a query from account department that please provide us the detail of accounts for the last 3 months, and he is doing that work. While doing that work, he get a query from his field team that the team is already on the site and the material is not there. So what a project manager will do? He will keep doing his accounting work, or he will first stop this accounting work and give priority to the field team. If he has an organizational skill, he will stop the accounting work, because accounting work is a not on priority. They want a record, and record can be given within a timeline or maybe a bit late also, no issue, because this is an internal issue. If there is something ups or down, it's inside their company. But if he will late about the field teams, because people who are working in the field are not related to his company, they are hired by the company to complete the field task. So if he will not help the field team on time, then it will give an extra charge to the company, because workers are already there. If material is not there, then workers are sitting and they have to give their wages. So that's why he will check which work is on priority and he will complete that priority work. So organizational skills help you check how organization is working and which work is more priority on priority, so that there will be no hurdles or problems for the project and the company in the future. Next is negotiation. A project manager must be effective at. So what is negotiation? It is a type of skill in a person who can a bit argue, he can talk, he have skills to convince someone. You can simple words ka convincing power. A project manager should have a convincing power. If he have no convincing power, he cannot take the project from the customer. He cannot buy the project items necessary from the market within the budget. If he have no convincing power, he cannot convince his own departments about getting the project or convincing them that he can complete the project. If he have no convincing power, he cannot deliver the project. So convincing power is very important for a project manager. How he handles the clients, suppliers or stakeholders. So this skill is also very important for the project manager. So from this onward, we will do other skills in the part 3 of this lecture.